self-leveling articulated boom HA12C. Overall height, 2.23 meters. Overall weight, 5,250 kg. Overall width, 1.92 meters. Overall length, 5.9 meters. Equipped with a maintenance-free, high-capacity lithium battery. All spare parts are from top international brands, making maintenance and repairs convenient. The chassis leveling uses a real-time load distribution system for smoother operation. Remote control within 200 meters. Precise and efficient AC drive system. Powerful performance and smooth control. Smooth rotation with a turntable supporting 355 rotation. The chassis can be automatically or manually leveled during operation. The maximum climbing ability is 45%. The vehicle can support left and right leveling during slope operations. Electric proportional control. Boom supports combined movements. Stable and efficient. Maximum horizontal extension, 6.82 meters. The equipment supports 360 rotation in place. Eco-friendly. Low noise. Zero emissions. Platform load capacity, 200 kg. Maximum working height, 14.6 meters. Platform swing angle, 90. Boom swing angle, 90.